Welcome back to Garden Art Corner, your ultimate destination for creative garden decor, art, and craft inspirations. Today we are diving into some brilliant garden craft ideas featuring 12 beautiful upcycled planters made entirely from unique thrifted finds. You will love how easy it is to transform everyday secondhand items into stunning, eco-friendly focal points for your backyard. If you enjoy these creative green ideas, please remember to comment, like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more inspiration. Old ceramic and metal teapots make the most charming homes for small succulents and cascading vines. You can easily find these treasures at any local thrift store for just a few dollars. Simply drill a small drainage hole in the bottom and fill it with high-quality potting mix. Arranged together, they bring a whimsical, storybook feel to any outdoor seating area. Vintage metal colanders are practically built to be repurposed as unique hanging planters for your garden. Their built-in drainage holes make them ideal for housing vibrant annuals like petunias or pansies. All you need to do is line the inside with coconut coir and add your favorite soil. Hang them up with sturdy chains to instantly brighten up your outdoor spaces with a touch of retro charm. An old wooden or metal toolbox can easily find new life as a portable, rustic herb garden. These compartmentalized containers are perfect for separating different varieties of fresh herbs like basil, thyme, and rosemary. You can leave the original distressed paint for an authentic weathered look that adds character. Place it on a patio table or near your kitchen door for easy access while cooking. Colorful rubber rain boots that children have outgrown make wonderfully playful planters for your backyard. You can choose bright, mismatched patterns to add an unexpected pop of joy to a quiet corner. Make sure to punch a few drainage holes in the soles before adding soil and upright flowers. These cheerful containers look absolutely delightful when lined up against a wall or along a pathway. Give an old, battered vintage suitcase a second chance by transforming it into a stunning container garden. Line the interior with a sturdy plastic sheet to protect the structure before filling it with soil. It provides a wide, shallow planting area that is absolutely perfect for a mix of ferns and flowering annuals. Propping the lid open creates a beautiful tiered effect that serves as an instant conversation starter. Saved from old dressers, single wooden drawers can easily be converted into beautiful chic flower boxes. A fresh coat of pastel outdoor paint can completely revitalize the wood while preserving its vintage character. Pack them tightly with trailing ivy and bright geraniums for a lush, full appearance. These lovely boxes look fantastic sitting on steps or mounted directly onto a sturdy surface. Collecting old coffee tins or vintage food cans is a fantastic way to create a budget-friendly vertical garden. You can leave the retro labels intact or paint them in coordinating colors to match your theme. Secure the cans to a solid backing using sturdy screws and wire loops for a stable display. This setup allows you to utilize vertical space efficiently while adding a lovely industrial touch to your yard. Vintage wire bird cages offer an elegant and slightly gothic aesthetic when repurposed as unique plant holders. You can place potted plants inside or let climbing vines weave naturally through the delicate metal bars. It creates a stunning visual dynamic as the greenery gracefully spills out from the enclosure. Hang the birdcage from a tree branch or a porch hook to catch everyone's eye. An old vintage bicycle parked in the garden serves as the ultimate nostalgic statement piece. Filling the front wicker or wire basket with cascading flowers instantly transforms it into a living sculpture. You can even attach extra small pots to the rear rack for an even bigger impact. This arrangement adds an enchanting, romantic feel that completely elevates your outdoor landscape. Old salvage porcelain sinks make surprisingly excellent and durable planters for deep-rooted varieties. The built-in drain hole provides the perfect natural drainage system for your new botanical arrangement. You can fill the deep basin with a mixture of tall ornamental grasses and colorful perennials. It adds an unexpected, bold architectural element that breaks up the traditional greenery of your yard. Vintage enamelware coffee pots and pitchers add a lovely splash of farmhouse charm to any garden setting. These durable containers come in various bright colors and distressed finishes that look wonderful outdoors. Grouping several pots of different heights together creates a dynamic and visually interesting arrangement. They are ideal for holding delicate wildflowers or small hardy green succulents. A retired metal wheelbarrow can be easily converted into a spectacular mobile flower bed for your lawn. Fill the wide, spacious tray with a rich soil blend and an assortment of your favorite blooming plants. This large-scale planter acts as a magnificent centerpiece that can be repositioned whenever you want to change. We hope these ideas inspire your next weekend project, so please take a moment to comment, like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more garden crafts.